The grandfather of 4 children killed in a house fire says he is dreading the day he has to give their mother the awful news. 15-year-old Demi Pearson, her brother, Brandon, 8, and sisters Lacey, 7, and Leah, 3, died following the blaze at the family's mid-terraced home in Jackson Street, Walkden, Greater Manchester, shortly after 5 a.m. on Monday. Leah, Brandon and Lacey Pearson all died following the blaze. Their mother Michelle Pearson remains in a critical condition. In a statement, the children's grandfather Mike, Aunt Claire and Uncle Chris said this week has been a whirlwind. We have been in our own bubble and our focus has been solely on our family, on our Michelle as she lies in her hospital bed. We are heartbroken at the death of our 4 babies. Mother of Michelle Pearson, 35, who is fighting for life in hospital. Lacey Pearson tragically died in their blaze alongside her brother and 2 sisters. Little Leah lost her fight for life in hospital. Demi Pearson, 15, was killed on Friday. The man accused of killing the 4 young siblings in the arson attack on their home today smiled through a second court appearance. David Worrell, 25, appeared alongside Zach Bulland, 23, and Courtney Briley, charged with 4 counts of murder and 3 counts of attempted murder at Manchester Crown Court. They are accused of killing Demi Pearson, 15, her brother, Brandon, aged 8, and sisters Lacey, 7, and Leah, 3, in an attack on their home in the Walkden area of Salford, Greater Manchester in the early hours of Monday morning. Zach Bulland, 23, Courtney Briley, 20, and David Worrell, 25, appearing at Manchester Crown Court. Their mother Michelle Pearson, 35, is fighting for her life in hospital and is unaware her children have died. 2 16-year-old boys, who cannot be named for legal reasons, managed to escape the blaze through an upstairs window. No pleas were entered as the trio were further remanded in custody ahead of their next scheduled appearance on March 9. Worrell appeared at Manchester Magistrates Court this morning. Zach Bulland and Courtney Briley are also accused of murder. Demi Pearson, 14, was pronounced dead at the scene. Siblings Brandon and Lacey Pearson perished in the fire. 3-year-old Leah became the 4th child from the same family to die in the house fire. A date for the trial, estimated to last 3 to 4 weeks, has been fixed for April 30th. Bulland, of Blackledge Drive, Walkden, and Worrell, of No Fixed Abode, both wearing fluorescent yellow and green boiler suits, and Briley, of Worsley Avenue, Walkden, wearing a grey tracksuit, were flanked by security guards during the short hearing. All 3 gave their full names, dates of birth and their nationalities. Worrell smiled as he did through a magistrate's court appearance yesterday while confirming his personal details. The defendants were all remanded in custody. The trio appeared in court from custody today. Southwest News Service. The blaze broke out in the early hours of Monday morning. Heartbroken friends and neighbors have left tributes at the scene. Cops stop half-naked woman walking in street wearing tiny shorts. Harrods shoppers snap up £950. A spinal of London bags for £8 in website glitch. No family turn up to inquest of boy, 7, who froze to death outside home. Snow set to blanket Britain again today as temperatures plummet. Winning Euro Millions numbers for Friday, December 15. £110 million jackpot. Mum of kids killed in arson attack begged to be moved to safe house. Emergency services were called to the family's mid-terraced home in Jackson Street, Walkden, shortly after 5 a.m. on Monday. Demi was pronounced dead at the scene and Brandon and Lacey died later that day in hospital. Little Leah died on Wednesday after her life support was switched